welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to configure CloudApps at the project level. To learn more about CloudApps, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Team and project managers can configure new CloudApps. To do so, select Projects from the Manage section of the main menu, choose a project, then click the Manage box in the upper right. Under the Services section, select CloudApps. Here, the CloudApp configurations available to the users in that project are displayed in a tiled view. Availability can be toggled on and off, and unavailable CloudApps will appear grayed out at the bottom of the listing. To create a new CloudApp configuration, hit the Add New tile, select the configuration type from the available options. Let's go with Chrome. Enter a name for your application and upload an icon. Select a cloud space, toggle per app external internet access, and, if it's available, select a CloudApp accessible host. Next up is the documentation. By default, the homepage for a browser CloudApp is the US Space Force landing page, and there's a 5-tab limit, but you can change either of those by entering new values in the application properties. Click Save, and you have a new CloudApp. Selecting the tile for an existing CloudApp configuration will open the same wizard, so you can edit the configuration as needed. Keep in mind that a CloudApp must be made available before it can be deleted. But we just made this one, so there's no sense in deleting it. Now, head on over to CloudApps under the Compute section of the main menu, and the new CloudApp will be there. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.